I'm becoming gritty.
No, there's no more.
Oh, that is a crazy lower back tattoo.
Wait, show that one. Boot tray. Are the supplies I'm starting out with. This is a large orange hoodie. Okay, so it is 2XL, and I've been having an amazing time wearing it around the house. I have some basketball shorts. These happen to be AN1. I wanted the like other texture ones, but these are the ones they had. These are some black leggings. I've had them for a few seasons, so I could replace these, so they're going up to the costume. I have some pieces of felt here in the Flyers colors because I was hoping I could borrow a uniform or a shirt from one of my friends, and that never happened, so I'm going to make one. 2 pieces of foam for the googly eyes that my cats have already gotten into. A sewing kit. I don't think I need this. A big ball of yarn. I hope this is enough. I have a reference photo, scissors, some glue, lens cap. So I'm going to mock up how I'm going to do this, and then once I figure out a great technique, I'm going to fill you guys in. I took a break to see what John was working on. They're on! How did they get unplugged?
I don't like wiring in old cars.
Probably just shook loose.
That was an entire day.
Just to find out it was unplugged. Are you a huge help? Yes, because you're cute. Because you're freaking cute. Hey, John. Do you think this is believable?
You need to go harder than that.
More?
String, yeah, for sure.
It's taking a long time. Okay, I'll be back.
It's just production work is what you're doing. You just gotta do a bunch of it.
So I started working on the pants, and I wanted to get down a method before I shared anything, and this is kind of what I have so far. So I tested a couple strands where it's just like 2 little pieces, and then I worked up to 4 little pieces.
Oh, hold up. It's just like zooming in and out.
What is Ethan eating? So I already started working on one of the legs just because I wanted to perfect my method before I got into anything crazy. I didn't want to have a DIY on my hands, and I wanted to jump into this and just do it the easiest, cheapest, fastest way possible. My method so far has been just pulling out a little bit of yarn, forcing it through with this like wide-eyed needle. So I started this off by tucking the leggings into the shorts so I would know where to stop. So I tried these on a minute ago, thinking it would like create kind of the illusion, but John said I should keep going hard. So I just want to show you how I am like putting the yarn through. It's a really easy method. I'm sure you could figure this out. And I'm like not a professional. I've never knit anything in my life. So if you have a better technique, I encourage you to make a gritty DIY costume yourself. And then hashtag it, my costume is better than Qcknd's. So
Hold up. I just don't want to make a video for you or like help you with a video that like my filming is terrible.
No. No.
I don't want to do a shitty job.
Thank you, I appreciate that. You want a needle that has an eyelet like this because you're going to be stacking the yarn through it. So I'm just using the edge of my foam board as a measurement, and I'm just taking the yarn to about the same length and cutting it. But you want these strands to be long enough that you can fit them through this eyelet, but also tie them in a knot once they are through the legging. So you're gonna see that I kind of just twist these. My hands are sweaty, so that this works for me. You want this to be in sort of a brick lay pattern so that the strands don't look really artificial, because I don't want to take this too super seriously, because one, Gritty's not very serious, and two, I want people to know I tried, but I want this to look like a costume, and I want to wear it as pajamas. So put my hand through these leggings, and this looks like a nice blank spot. So here is all my 3 stacked little yarns. There's probably space for me to put one more stack through there, but I don't want to pierce a really big hole through this. So just putting it through, putting the needle through here, and kind of accepting it with my fingers on the other side, pushing it through, turning the leggings inside out to like receive what is happening, and then kind of helping it birth through so you're not damaging the leggings too much. Because we gave ourselves this like foot of yarn, you want to pull this so you'll be able to loop it. So I'm pulling it out. Then you want to free the needle.
Free him.
And then you can kind of rub these again with your sweaty freak hands. Loop it around your finger. Kind of like find these threads and stuff it through. You've tied a knot before. So find it on the other side and pull it tight so it hits that knot. And that's kind of all I've been doing. I'm just going to repeat it like 700 more times. I have not started with the other leg yet.
Sounds pretty good.
I think we should go to a Flyers game because I'm pretty sure they have veggie dogs and I can dress up as this Gritty costume.
Neither of us are really big on sports, so we didn't realize that all the jerseys that we see people wearing are like, I don't know, $100.
Yes. We even went to the flea market and they were still $50-$60.
Yeah.
So we tried to not bootleg this. So I think if we do the emblem and like the cuffs and like the white stripe up here.
We'd have to look at the jersey. I think I got enough to just make the emblem on the chest. I don't know though, but felt is cheap and they have it at Walmart.
Let's do this.
All right.
This is gonna take me 24 hours anyway. Okay, I have very limited mobility of my hands because they keep getting caught. And the cats want to kill me. As for Gritty's hands, I just used some fabric glue, which dries really quickly, and just glued a bunch of strands of yarn to a piece of felt, and then tucked that into the cuff of the hoodie, almost to make a jersey kind of moment, and then that's all I did for the hands. Got my hairy legs. I'm kind of done with them. I know they would look better if there was more, but like, it just takes so long. Then this is what my arms look like, and they look pretty good, just like swanging. And here's here's what I have now. And here's how he looked the other night. Really nice and handsome. And this is him in a black jersey for the first time. So let me pull up an orange one. I'm using this as a reference photo. So I feel like I have this kind of down. We have to make this so like, this isn't his skin. This is like his jersey, but then the hood becomes his skin somehow. So I'm thinking like with the eyes, maybe to like have the I'm not buying a helmet for this. So have the hat like up here. Close this hood and then have like 2 eyes right here. So it's kind of like a, you'll have to use your imagination, but it's almost like those like pajamas that people have with the hood. Look how tired I am.
So for Gritty's eyes, it was pretty simple. I just traced various circles around my house and then glued them into place. And I think they came out really, really good.
No, it's more obtuse. Alright, let's do it this way.
Do you want me to pull up a larger image?
No.
Yeah, move that.
Also should have been doing this whole thing in pencil. Because I'm gonna have to paint shit white now.
Wait, is that too big? Hold on. I think it has to be like a teeny touch smaller. But you can do the circle trick. You can fold it in half and trim it and it'll be equal.
Nah, I think I want it like...
I kind of like it big. It's kind of like the entire thing is literally perfect and then that thing's like, wow. I can't believe you did that with math. It looks so good.
I'm leaving that too big. I like it.
I do too. We only bought 1 piece of white felt, so we have to go to the store and get more. Maybe not.
Those are way too small.
I hate that we came here for just this. Eyes are ready. John is finishing that. And we're just gonna attach it while I'm wearing the costume. Here. John.
Smash like and subscribe.
So John just glued on my eyes. And now he's making the white piece.
The Philadelphia Flyers have unveiled its new mascot, Gritty, and the reaction was priceless. But before we get to those, we're going to let this play out a bit more so you can get some perspective. That is really creepy.